Good morning, people, and welcome back to the channel. So, in today's episode, I'm going to tell you exactly how much money you need to live in Vietnam. I will talk about all the costs, including apartment rent, bike renting cost, buying a bike here, groceries, food cost, going out to eat, parties, alcohol, and all those things. So, keep watching and stay tuned to Limitless Nomad. Okay, so first let's start with apartment cost and how much does it cost to rent an apartment here in Hanoi, Vietnam. So if you want to live in Hanoi, you can get an apartment as low as 150 US dollars per month, and the cheapest I've heard is 130 US dollars per month. But these apartments are shared apartments. By that I mean, yes, you do get a private room, but you have to share the kitchen and also a bathroom sometimes with the other person. And if you're looking for a studio apartment which has a private kitchen and a private bathroom, then that will cost you around at least 200 US dollars to 350 US dollars. Of course, you can get an apartment for more money, but a friend of mine used to stay in a 350 US dollar per month apartment, and it was pretty good and it was really fancy. Apart from this, you also need to pay electricity bill, which will cost you around 20 to 25 US dollars per month. All these apartments usually come in an area called Teho, which is where all the expats live. And yeah, the apartments are pretty nice, and if you are looking for something cheap, then yes, you can very well find it here. If you are looking for an apartment in Hanoi, then I would suggest you to search through the Facebook group called Hanoi Massive. That's where usually you will find the best apartments or the cheapest ones. The next cost is buying and renting a motorcycle here in Vietnam. So if you want a two-wheeler or if you want to rent one, then you can do so for a very cheap price. If you want to rent it monthly, it will cost you around 50 US dollars for automatic moped. And if you're looking to buy a motorcycle, then it will cost you around 200 to 250 US dollars, depending on the bike you want and condition, of course. But if you want a really nice bike, I would say you can very well get it at 250 US dollars. And of course, if you get a bike, you have to pay for fuel, which also adds up. And I pay around 4 US dollars per week for fuel. I don't usually drive much, but that comes around 16 US dollars per month. Yeah, that's pretty cheap, but I don't drive much. So the next cost is groceries and food. This depends from person to person. I personally do not cook much, so I do not spend much on groceries, but usually for food or groceries, I usually pay around 60,000 dong per day. So that comes around 2 million Vietnamese dong per month, and I would say that is around 100 to 120 US dollars. An average meal in a proper restaurant would usually cost around 100,000 Vietnamese dong, which is around, I would say, 4 US dollars. But if you go for street food or a local restaurant, then it will only cost you 20,000 dong to 40,000 dong. Yes, the street food is very cheap here, especially the banh mi. It will only cost you around 15,000 to 20,000 dong. So yes, I usually go out to have a banh mi, which is like a Vietnamese sandwich. It's pretty good, and it only cost me around 20,000 Vietnamese dong, which is like less than 1 US dollar. If you do go to a very fancy restaurant, then a meal in a very fancy restaurant would cost you around 200 Vietnamese dong, which is like 7 or 8 dollars. So yes, in a month I usually pay around 2 million Vietnamese dong, but this depends on person to person. You can spend a little bit less, or you can spend a lot more if you want to, or if you have the money. Okay, so now it's time to talk about alcohol and parties. So I usually drink a lot of beer, and I do not like to know how much I spend on alcohol, so I did not calculate that, but I'm just going to tell you how much it costs. Usually a pint of beer anywhere will cost you 20,000 Vietnamese dong. That is like super cheap, and you can go to some beer places or beer corners, or they are also called bia hoi here in Vietnam. So there you will get a pint of beer or a glass of beer for only 10,000 Vietnamese dong, and that is like one of the cheapest things I have ever heard. There's also a place here in Hanoi called Beer Street, and there you can get a glass of beer for 5,000 dong, which is like 16 Indian rupees and 15 cents or 20 cents. And yes, that's the cheapest beer in the world you can get. In a nice bar, it will cost you 20,000 to 30,000 Vietnamese dong to get a glass of beer or a pint of beer. But if you go to a club, like a really fancy club, then it will cost you around 50,000 Vietnamese dong. Still cheap, but not super expensive. And if you have to know the quality of the beer, I would say the quality is pretty good. I would say yes, it is better than average. Okay, so the next part is cost of a gym membership here in Hanoi, Vietnam. So I personally haven't joined a gym here, but I did inquire how much it costs, and it costs around 2 million Vietnamese dong for a 3-month membership. So if you are going to stay here for 3 months, then you can get it. But if you go for a monthly basis, it will be more expensive. And finally, my total budget of staying in Hanoi, Vietnam comes around $350 per month. And I could save a little bit more money, but I don't. Of course, this cost can increase if you stay in a private apartment. I stay in a shared apartment, so my rent only comes around $150. So if you are planning to stay in a private studio or a private apartment, then your rent will be more. So I would say $100 or $150 more. But also this cost does not include the gym membership. And one more thing I would like to add is a very good cup of coffee in the city of Hanoi will cost you around 20,000 Vietnamese dong. Yes, that is only $1 or less than $1. On a final note, I am a very budget traveler, so I do not spend a lot of money. This cost depends from person to person. Yes, you can spend a little bit less than this, and of course you can go way higher than what I spend in Hanoi. So that's it for today's episode, and I will see you in the next episode. But before you go, if you want to watch my apartment, or if you're wondering what a $150 apartment looks like, then you can watch my old video. I've made a video about it, or you can click here. And finally, before you stop watching, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and like this video, because if you like this video, then more and more people can watch this.